Have you ever wanted to make a portable RGB lamp? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that with just a few electronics and a 3D printer. The things you'll need for this video are a 5-volt power bank module with the 5-volt terminal, a switch, a battery of any sort, lion or lipo, LED strips, and the 3D printed parts. Alright, so first things first, we'll get this bundle of LED strips onto the LED tower. So I'm going to snap my finger and it's going to magically happen. Alright, so after you have placed the LED strip on the LED tower, make sure you align the LED's controller so that the IR receiver is pointing to a closed edge, like the closest edge, instead of pointing it like right here where it has a little space. So remember, so this is a shell that's going on this. So you have to remember it's the closest towards the end of the shell so that the IR remote can communicate with it properly. So we'll move on now to the electronics. Without the base, I'll put a schematic on the screen so that you can understand how to do it, so you can pause and look at it. Alright, so what happens here now, we get the switch in first. I put the power bank module, it goes in type C facing up. Alright, so now you can see the terminals right there. Those are the 5-volt out that goes to the LED. You connect that to the switch, then to the LED strip. The battery connects right here to the two negative and the one negative and positive for the battery. These are the indicator lights. We're not going to really worry about that because they're not all that important. So let's get soldering. After you have finished soldering and gluing, you should look something like this, or it depends on the type of battery that you use. Anyways, don't look at the glue mess, it's just to insulate everything. Alright, right here you can see the battery is connected to the circuit, to the power bank module right here, the positive and the negative. Over here is the 5-volt out, both positive and negative. The positive goes to the switch, then goes to the LED, and the negative goes straight up to the LED. And that's practically all. So in case you're wondering, there's no way for you to see the indicator lights that are on the power bank module right here. I personally don't want to see them, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hole at the front, 4 holes for 3mm LEDs, so you can solder little wires to this and extend them out to the front of the case. You check so everything is okay, you test it, you see the light comes on, and the 4 indicator means that the battery is fully charged. Right, so it's time to glue it on. Set the wires properly and glue this onto the body. After that has finished drying, it's time to put on the lampshade. Lampshade goes on the same with CA glue or super glue. test out the lamp using its IR remote. Alright, it's on green. Here we go, red, green, blue, white. White is going to look like this because it's using the red, blue and green, and it's a low quality type LED. And you have the rest of them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. The links for the files will be in the description.